Baking from scratch, the essence of homemade goodness. Hello, wonderful viewers. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase in the culinary world: bake from scratch. This term is not just about baking. It's about creating something truly unique and personal. Whether you're a language learner or a budding baker, understanding this phrase will add flavor to your English vocabulary and your cooking skills. The phrase, bake from scratch, means to bake something using only the basic ingredients and without any pre-made mixes or shortcuts. When you bake from scratch, you start with the fundamental elements like flour, sugar, eggs, and butter, measuring and mixing them according to your recipe. It's all about putting in the effort and love to create something wholesome and delightful from the very beginning. Baking from scratch is often seen as a labor of love. It implies dedication and a personal touch, making the end result not just food, but a creation that carries the baker's care and attention. It's also a way to ensure quality and authenticity in what you're eating. When you bake from scratch, you know exactly what's going into your food, making it a healthier and more transparent option. In many cultures, baking from scratch is a tradition passed down through generations. It's a way to preserve family recipes and celebrate heritage. Linguistically, the phrase can be a metaphor for starting from the beginning in any process, not just baking. It reflects the values of hard work, authenticity, and the joy of creating something from the ground up. That's all for our delicious journey into the phrase, bake from scratch. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to try baking something special from scratch. Remember, whether it's a cake or your language skills, starting from the basics can lead to extraordinary results. Happy baking, and happy learning!